Welcome to the Bitcoin analysis. I'm starting here on the 4 hour on this new range that we created after breaking the previous all-time high. Bitcoin, it's creating a range here on the 4 hour. It's kind of possible to understand that every 4 hour here, I'm gonna pick this one, every 4 hour here on the top has a resistance candle. The white candles are tested, okay? I have the body of the white candle here because this one it's kind of being tested yet, so we don't have a confirmation of the breakup, right? If we go to the 1 hour, as you can see, I have a bigger range trend from the support here that was not tested even after breaking up to bigger new all-time high. Okay, after we created this range, we went to a new all-time high. It came down. It is now holding the 1 hour support here that was not tested, and inside this uptrend here we have another range uptrend here. Okay, it's an interior trend from that previous one. It's clearly trying to break that 4 hour, right? Inside this 4 we have the 1 hour backside here. The greedier point on a 1 hour is this one. Okay, it's the resistance candle that was not tested. Inside this one we have the 15 that we are now testing. Okay, 15-minute untested candle. We still have the polarity that we can that can hold down the price, right? The polarity here on a 1 hour, it tests there and the price just breaks down, as you can see. 3.5%, maybe a little bit more, it's not really important. That is polarity. Okay, we also have polarity on the top, but if we go there, we are probably going to a new all-time high, honestly, unless we get a rejection on the 1 hour candle here that was already tested. That's why I believe if we go there, we are probably going to a new all-time high, even though it might be just a little above that. Right now we need to break up this range, this previous range that we created here as a resistance range. After breaking down, we are now testing that, and it's really probable that we can break up. All right, guys, it has a really probability that we going to break. If we don't break and we hold down, we can try to attack the 1 hour trend here. We might have a more interior trend. Let me check that. Yeah, maybe here, something like that. And honestly, I'm not really sure this 1 hour here is going to hold if we attack that, okay? Because polarity can easily break the trend, and we don't have a really good trend on a 4 yet. So if polarity breaks the trend, we might go to the bottom here or some lower ranges, because everything here it's kind of tested on a 4. Even this 4 hour here, we have the body that was not tested. We can still go to the body. We have a 1 hour candle here that is not tested. Let me just pick this one. Sorry. Okay, 1 hour untested candle here, 1 hour untested candle here. The only problem with these untested candles is that if we go there, we are already breaking down the trend, okay? Maybe the 4 year can still hold and we can stay above the trend. But if we break the trend, these levels are probably just not going to hold, okay? We might hold them a little bit, but not enough to attack the top again. Okay, it's just going to keep laddering down, creating a new range maybe. So we have the 1 hour untested candle here, and we need to understand that the backside of these candles, okay, as you can see, we have a volley here. The backside was tested by this candle, and the backside of this um, volley here, it was already tested by this one. This one might be the one that can hold because it was tested multiple times and it hold the price 3 times at least here on the lower time frames. Okay, 1, 2, 3 holds, tries to attack that, so we might hold it again, and it's really close to the 1 hour range uptrend, so we can easily hold the level and hold the trend. Okay, on the 4 hour I already talked about everything. If we go to the daily, we are trying to create a new range here on daily. Let's see if we are going to stay above the previous all-time high. We can easily go there again and hold it. Okay, and on the weekly I have a level here, well, not a level, trend, an inverse trend that might be a really good one for the possible new all-time high or the last all-time high of the year. Okay, I don't want to call that. It's an inverse trend. We pick the bottom candle, the blue bottom candle of the previous range that all down everything that we are now ladder. We pick that and we just start marking the levels here. As you can see, it was really good here. It was kind of good there, but after we created this range, we need to adapt this point to the top of that range, and that's even better, right? It's not a position for a short. It's just to understand if we create a range here around 130k, we can try to short, right? So, and after that we created this range, so the price goes here, the point goes here, sorry. And that's everything I have to say. Okay, if we go there, really close, we are really close to that point. It might not even touch that, okay, guys, or it might break up a little bit. It's not an exact point, it's just a line to understand where the price can go. We might not even go there, okay, because we already broke that previous one from the past. So it's everything for today, guys. Thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow.